Here comes the power cell unboxing from Amazon. This is for my dashcam recording for like parking recording. So your dashcam will stay on even if your vehicle is off in a parking lot, so you can record. So your dashcam will record. It stays on while vehicle is off. So here's the power cell, black box bar. So here's the connectors for connecting in the cigarette lighters on your vehicle, the 12 volts. So that's the one you can use, or you can use this one, a direct input on the batteries, or 12 volts. Then there's the ground, black wire, and then the yellow for the ignition or accessories. You can hook that one directly. Yeah, so there's a fuse here, a circuit protector. And this one is just another one. It's direct to the batteries, I think. Then first fuses. You can use this one. There's connectors, extras. And another that's probably just an extension to put this one there, and then hook this one to your to the power cell box, and and tester, and some velcros to stick onto the batteries and stick to the side of where you can install the battery. And here's the manual. You can use this to install your black box. And here's the power cell. So I know it's a battery. Stays for like 24 hours recording without starting the vehicle. And then here's an extra battery if you want another one of this, and put this one and then to add additional hours. And there's the switch, high and low, and some USBs, and here's the dascam input, output. Yeah, so power cell. So stay tuned for installing this one on my vehicle. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and thank you.